In this lesson, I will explain to you question number 26 of exercise 1.1. And question we have 2 into x minus 1 positive 6 equal to 4x plus 12 negative 2 into 4 plus x. Right, so see, we have two parentheses. One is on the left hand side of the equation, this is the equation, and the other is on the right hand side of the equation. And here we have 2 in front of this parenthesis, and here we have negative 2. So okay, we will solve one by one. First you have to multiply this 2 with x, 2 into x, then negative 1 with 2, it will be negative 2, plus 6, which is equal to 4x plus 12, here negative 8 and negative 2x. Now we will keep all the x's on the left hand side. So this is 2x, only we have 2x here, and then we have 4x and negative 2x on the right hand side. So we will take the transpose of these two. It will be negative 4x and then positive 2x. Here we have positive 12, negative 8. These two constants are on the left hand side, so we will take the transpose, means we will change the sign. So this is 2x and 2x, so it is positive 4x negative minus negative 4x, which is equal to, this is positive, this is positive. So this is 14 with the positive sign and 14 with the negative sign. So this will cancel each other, this positive and negative. 0 is equal to 0. So it means all real values, and it is not linear. Means you can put any value of x. So it is called all real values, which we have discussed already in detail in the previous lessons. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.